Calçots aren't always readily available in the UK, so this little dish here with the baby leeks is a little nod to that, but a bit more replicatable at home. In this video, we're going to show you how to make charred baby leeks with Romesco sauce. It's healthy-ish, it's vegan-friendly, it's gluten-free, it's delicious, and it's super fun to eat. So let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is make our Romesco sauce, normally made with hazelnuts and bread. But we've foregone the bread to make this gluten-free and make it a bit thinner, so it's a bit more of a dipping sauce. And we're going just with almonds in this, so it's a bit lighter as well from that point of view. The first thing we're going to do is grab ourselves one roasted red pepper. These are the guys that come in a jar. They have this lovely smell. Oh yes, very delicious. We're going to add to that one clove of garlic, and we've got 50 grams of toasted flaked almonds. Just make sure you have toasted. And then we've got half a teaspoon of tomato puree, and then we've got 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. We've got a pinch of chili flakes. I've done a generous pinch because I like it to have a bit of to it, but if you don't want it to have any to it, just don't put as much in. We've got 1 heaped tablespoon of chopped parsley, and we've got 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar. So we're just going to season that a little bit. So a bit of salt, a bit of pepper. We've got 110 mils of oil here. So we're going to turn this on, add the oil gradually. It will all come together and make this really bright brick red dressing that is just phenomenal. Done. So that's our dressing done. As you can see, it's this beautiful, vibrant red colour, really striking in appearance. Now we just need to char our leeks, so I'll just take this downstairs and we'll get on. Now, all we need to do is char our baby leeks. So the Romesco sauce is a Spanish sauce, and it's normally served with calçots, which are kind of a cross between leeks and spring onions. And they have a massive festival in Spain. They have big white bibs, and they literally eat them until they can't eat anymore. It's much easier to kind of replicate this with baby leeks or even spring onions if you're going to do it in the spring. The baby leeks are in a cast iron tray. Roccbox is up to 500 degrees or 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Flame is on full whack, and we're going to pop these in, no oil, no seasoning, and just burn them. So as the leeks burn in Roccbox, what we're going to do is release that natural sweetness that's present in them. And they'll look burnt, they'll look gnarly, they'll look super charred, but inside will be delicious sweetness. It's been 8 minutes. Those leeks are looking beautifully charred, beautifully blackened, and they smell incredible. So we're going to get them out. So there we go. You can see the colour they take on is absolutely incredible. And now it's the fun bit. It's the eating of them. Peel off the outer layer and then reveal incredible sweet leek. Dip it in, and this is honestly how you've got to eat them. You have to tilt your head back and drop it in. Okay, ready? Like this. Sweat patch. Like that. With a sweat patch. There we have it. We have charred these leeks for about 8 minutes to release that incredible, beautiful sweetness that's inside. We've made this beautiful Romesco sauce, which is so punchy and just really, really smoky and delicious. The two together are an absolute thing of beauty. There's a whole festival dedicated to it. How can that many Spanish people be wrong? And it's gluten-free and vegan-friendly. Hashtag veganary. So as the leeks burn, they're going to develop. You've probably seen this in other videos, unless this is your first video, in which case, hello. We're Gozney. We make ovens and recipes. Subscribe. Thanks.